Oh my god. Here comes Superman. Oh my god, I look a bit young. I was 15 back then, but now I'm 18. Oh man. I'm getting old. I feel like I'm getting too old for YouTube, but I'm still doing it. I actually cannot believe it's been 3 years since I've got a YouTube channel now. And that makes me feel kinda old. Well, even worse, I was 15 back then, but now I'm 18. So, yeah. So yeah, I even remember the day when I filmed the first Superman and the Killer Dog, but last time I did Superman and the Killer Dog was the last one. That came out December 2014, 2 years ago. Well, yeah, 2 years. Blimey, this is how the time's flown. But anyway, thanks for watching this video, and please like this video and add comments and subscribe if you haven't done it yet. But yeah, 3 years, eh? 2 years later might be 5 years. God, stop making us old. But anyway, gotta go, and got other videos to do, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.